that? That is the Hogwarts Whomping Willow. That's Lego set 75953. This thing is super cool. It also hooks onto the Hogwarts Great Hall, which I am super excited about. I can't wait to get that down. I'll put pictures of that on my Instagram later on. So yeah, just go check that out. The links will be down below. But yeah, this whole thing is just super rad. From the Whomping Willow itself that seems to spin around like this, has a couple gears in there, and the car here, which can come in and out. Really cool. It's the Weasley car. Just such a cool design for this thing. My only qualm with this at all is that these green things don't really stick in these holes the way they should, but other than that, this thing is like next to perfect. I absolutely love it. I think it's really cool. The little piece of castle you get is really nice too. It looks like you have a little hidden room right here with the Boy Who Lived newspaper in it, and Snape's little potions area over here. You also, it looks like you get another little potions area and a sleeping quarters, and then where the owls live up top there. So that's a really cool touch. I'm really pumped on this. Yeah, can't wait to get it together with my Great Hall and yeah, get some pictures taken. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I really recommend this set highly to any Harry Potter or Lego fans. Yeah, go snatch you one up. It should be out for a long time since it just came out. But yeah, again, thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel if you really want to make my day. It just means the world to me. Tell me how I can make these videos better. Tell me if I'm talking too much, not talking enough. Just let me know, you know, that's the only way we're gonna make these things better. So thank you again. Have a wonderful day, and as always, happy building. Bye.